And I had measured beforehand, and I need to take out 3 links. So to take 3 links out, I'll take a pair of tweezers, or I'm going to use also my eyeglass repair kit screwdriver. It's easy enough to use. So I need to take out 2 links. So I go back a ways into the band. Doesn't need to be in the bottom, doesn't mean in the top. You don't have to take it right from the end. You're not going to be able to tell where it was sized at. I leave a little bit so that I got something to hold on to while I'm sizing it. So I just go in the middle, and this is the top of the band. We're going to call this the top, and that's the bottom. On the top part, facing you, you'll take and pry up this top edge. Like that. Then on the bottom side, 1 link over. So here's the one I pried up. 1 link over, just like that. It's the pin that's connecting them, that's the one you're going to pry down. Push that down like that. Then you're going to pull up a little pin that connects the 2 links. Like that. That's what was holding those together. Flip it over, and the one that you pried up on the bottom, you just follow it up, and you're going to pry that one up. Like that. See, it's the same one. Then all you do is slide them apart. Like that. Leave that there like that. And then we'll go back to the beginning, just like we were starting all over again. Now we're going to count 2 links. So if this is your 1, 2, and then your 3rd link over, that's the one you're going to pry up this time, because that one will stay on your band. Pry that up, and then once again, 1 link over on the bottom. Pry that one up, and then you're going to pull that pin out again. You're going to do the exact same thing you did the first time. Pin like that. See, there's your 2 links that you're taking out. Flip it over. Here's the one that you bent up on the bottom. Follow it up. Bend it up so it's like that. And slide it out. There's your 2 links. Then you're just going to go in reverse. How you just slid that out, now you're going to put from your beginning part right back in again. Slide it in. And bend that back over. Like that, so it's flat. Go back to where you started at. And take the pin. And there's a little groove underneath this flap that this pin slides into on both sides. I don't know if you can see there now, if I can pry it up a little more. There's a little groove that slides into on each side. That's what holds the links together. That right back in like that. Oh, I missed it. Like that. You can see, push that down in, and then you fold those flaps back down again. The bottom one and the top one, so that they're nice and flat, just like the rest of them. And then you've taken your 2 links out. You can't tell where it was sized at. It goes back together nice and even. If it doesn't go back together, then you might not have one of the pins in straight. Just go back, just easy enough to fold them back up. Push the pin down, make sure it's nice and straight, it's in the groove. It's very easy to work with. That's how I size my Gildan band.